Do you know that over 70% of online shoppers abandon their carts before checking out? This turns out to be a huge loss to e-commerce stores. But the good news here is that there is a fix to it. So in this video, we'll be discussing abandoned carts, and I'll be sharing simple and proven strategies to enable you turn those abandoned carts into sales. I'll suggest you stick around because this video may save you thousands. What's up, guys? This is ForteSpy, and you're welcome to your tech sequence. So first off, let's start by defining abandoned cart. What exactly is an abandoned cart? Well, an abandoned cart is a situation whereby a customer visits your online store, adds items to their cart, and ends up leaving your store without completing the purchase. This has cost businesses billions every year. So the question is, why does this happen? Well, there are a couple of reasons why this happens. It could be as a result of hidden charges, a complex checkout procedure, or just a simple distraction. Luckily, you can fix it starting today. So now let's look at some simple ways we could reduce the occurrence of abandoned carts on our e-commerce stores. One sure way to reduce the occurrence of abandoned carts on our e-commerce store is to offer free shipping. 68% of online shoppers leave online stores without completing their purchase because of unexpected charges. So in this case, I will recommend that you offer free shipping in most cases. Now, one way to offer free shipping is to incorporate the cost of shipping into the cost of the product. So the customer just goes from adding items to the cart and checks out immediately. Another way of reducing the occurrence of abandoned carts on our e-commerce stores is to simplify the checkout process. Customers don't have the patience to fill out unending forms about their details. So what I do is, for online stores I build for my clients, I adopt what we call the one-page checkout process. This simplifies the checkout process into one single page. So from the shop page, the customer goes and adds items to their cart, and from the cart, the customer just clicks the checkout page and checks out. No additional procedure. A third way to reduce abandoned carts is to introduce what we call exit intent pop-ups. Most of the stores I build for my clients are automated stores. So a customer may visit a store and want to buy an item or set a number of items. By the time they add it to their cart and get to the checkout page, and probably they see an additional charge or something they don't like, which makes them to have a change of mind. The moment they click the back button to exit to leave the store, a pop-up message appears on their screen. This message prompts them to complete the purchase with probably a little discount, like a 5% discount. In most cases, the same customers who visit the store and will want to leave end up completing their purchase, and this helps e-commerce stores. Another way to reduce abandoned carts is to send cart abandonment email. For certain e-commerce stores, if a customer gets to the checkout page and leaves the store, the system automatically sends the customer an email prompting them to go back and complete their purchase, most times while offering them a little discount. This has helped most e-commerce stores to turn abandoned carts into recovered sales. And lastly, I would advise that you make good use of trust badges and guarantees. What this means is that certain customers visit your store, probably they are visiting for the first time and they don't really trust the store. So what I do is I paste SSL badges, money back guarantees, and customer reviews. All these help to build trust in the eyes of the customer, and this has helped most e-commerce stores transform abandoned carts to recovered sales today. And there you have it, 5 proven ways to slash abandoned carts and boost e-commerce sales on your store. So if you found this video helpful and you want more e-commerce tips, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. And if you also want to learn everything e-commerce and tech, I'll advise you join our Discord server so you could learn a thing or two. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.